Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to search and replace text in Emacs. So you see here, I've got a short file. This is file 1. It was a story about a time long, long ago when there were sailors that crossed the sea and big sea monsters. Probably Bigfoot as well, because you know Bigfoot. I'm not much of a storyteller. The end. So let's say I wanted to change Bigfoot and I wanted to replace it. Okay, let's say we wanted to replace it with great white shark. What I would do is the meta key or the alt key, typically on new keyboards, the alt key and the percentage sign. So I'm going to do alt %. Now you see here I was replacing Bigfoot with dog shark, but I'm going to replace Bigfoot. Okay, and we're going to replace Bigfoot with great white shark. Okay. I'm going to hit enter and it's going to go to the first occurrence, which is right here. And let's say I want to replace that one. I'm going to type Y. Then it's going to go to the second occurrence and see it's replaced it here. And let's say for the second occurrence, I say, you know what? I want to keep that one as Bigfoot. I'm going to type N. And then it's going to skip that one. If I had a bunch of sentences with Bigfoot, it would replace whichever ones I wanted. So let's actually do that. So let's do Control-X-U. To get Bigfoot back here, let's just do Control-E to get to the end of the line here. And we'll type Bigfoot. Let's all do lowercase Bigfoot, 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 Bigfoot. Okay, and I'm going to go to the start of file and do, on my keyboard's Chromebook, so I'm going to do Alt-Shift and 5, which is Shift and 5 is a %. So Alt-Shift 5. And I want to replace Bigfoot. Let's do actually Mako Shark this time. Now it will keep your default. So if I just hit enter, it would go ahead and replace all Bigfoots with Great White Shark because it had that from the previous replace. Let's do Mako Shark here. So I'm going to hit enter. It's going to go to the first Bigfoot. I'm going to say, yep, I want to make that one Mako Shark. Yep, I want to make that one Mako Shark. Next one, this one right here, I'm pointing at the screen. You can't see me pointing at the screen. This one right here, I'm going to say, no, I don't want that one. I want this one. I don't want that one. And I want this one. Okay. And it's just as easy as that. So Alt on a Chromebook, if you're following along because you're using Emacs on a Chromebook, which I have videos on this channel about, Alt, Shift, and 5, or Alt % on another keyboard. Anyways, that's how you do it. Hopefully this video helped. If you enjoyed it, please give a like and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks.